In today's video, I am going to share with you the simple and easiest edible fondant flowers you can make to decorate your cakes. This is Tongue to Tummy and you are with Sritika. So let's get started. I have taken 75 gram white fondant and this is 35 gram yellow fondant. I will be using 4 types of floral fondant cutters. These are 3 of same design with different sizes. You will get them in the baking stores. Dust very little cornstarch which will help to flatten the fondant without sticking to the rolling pin. Roll the fondant into a flat sheet using the rolling pin. Using the fondant cutter, press the fondant to give the shape. With the help of the finger, gently take out the flowers. Do the same with the smaller fondant cutters. If it becomes difficult to take out the flowers, take a toothpick and insert it through the cutter. It will come out easily. The sides of the flowers are little messy, so I will adjust it with a toothpick to give a nice form. We'll do the same thing with the yellow fondant. Dust some cornstarch. Roll it with a rolling pin. Cut the fondant using the fondant cutter. Brush very little water onto the middle of the flowers with the small brush. Place the yellow fondant on top. Press down gently. The water will act like a glue to hold the yellow fondant together. Do this with all the flowers. The flowers altogether are looking so nice. These are fully edible. You can frost your cakes with these edible flowers, which gives a gorgeous look. If you find this video helpful, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel Tongue to Tummy. Until then, bye.